value. Let us start with number 7. 21 lakh 32,481 people live in state A. 2 lakh 42,745 people moved from state B to state A, and 18,452 people moved from state A to state C. How many people now live in state A? In order to understand the sum, let us see by this diagram representation. So state A is having the total number of people as 21 lakh 32,481. Now from state B, 2 lakh 42,745 people moved from state A to state B. So when these people are moving from one state to another state, it means in state A we will be having more number of people. How will we be having more number of people? We will be adding them. By adding them we will be getting more number of people. This is one of the part. Now next, from the total number of people who are in state A, from that people 18,452 people moved from state A to state C. From state A they have diverted to state C. So it means here in state A there will be having the reduction, number will be decreasing. So we will getting the decreasing by doing the subtraction. So let us see our final answer, how we can make the conclusion. So first we will be writing our statement. No need to draw the picture in your solution, it is just for explanation. You can start your solution from the statement. So first statement, number of people in state A, that is 21 lakh 32,481. Number of people moved from state B to state A, it is 2 lakh 42,745. Number of people moved from state A to state C, 18,452. So this way we have defined all the people, number of people who have moved from one state to another state. So as discussed earlier, first we will be having the total number of people who are having the diversion in state A, and now we will be getting the total value of that state. So we will be adding 21 lakh 32,481 with 2 lakh 42,745, and by that we will be getting the conclusion as total people in state A, means those people who diverted from state B to state A, we will be finding the total number of people in state A. So here we have placed our digits as per the place value. Now we will finding the sum. So let us start from ones column. 1 plus 5, it becomes 6. Moving to tens column, 8 plus 4, it is 12. So from 12 we will be defining the ones number as 2, and 1 will be taken as remainder in 100 column. Now add 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 becomes as 11. 11 plus 1 remainder will be 12. Again we will be writing 2 here. 1 will be taken remainder as remainder in 1000 column. 2 plus 2 when added becomes 4. 1 remainder when added becomes 5. So define 5 here. Moving to 10,000 column, add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 will be 7. So write 7. Next lakh column, 1 plus 2 when added becomes 3. Next 10 lakh column, 2 is alone, so copy as it is. So this way we will be having the total number of people in state A as 23 lakh 75,226. Now this much people are present in state A. As per our question, now we will be having the subtraction part. As we have learned, we have seen 18,452 people moved from state A to state C. So people will be getting less in state A. So here will be forming the calculation. We will be finding the calculation by doing the subtraction. So subtract 18,452 from 23,75,226. यहाँ पर हम subtraction करेंगे. So our conclusion will be people now living in state A will be, again we have defined our representation of subtraction as discussed earlier. So subtraction will be starting from our ones column. 6 minus 2, write 4. 2 minus 5, not possible. So this 2 will be going to the 100 column and asking 2 to land 1. So here we are defined. The landing number is defined in red color. So 2 now becomes as 1 to 12 and this 2 becomes as 1, which is defined in black color. Now from 12 subtract 5, it becomes 7. From 1 we can't subtract 4. So again this 1 will be going to the next, that is 1000 column and asking 5 to land 1. When 5 land 1, this 1 becomes as 1111 and the number 5 becomes as 4, which we have written in black color. Now from 4 we have to subtract 8. So before that we'll be checking 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 will be now 7. From 4 we have to subtract 8, not possible. Again 4 will be going to 10,000 column and asking 7 to land 1. After landing 1 to 4, now 4 becomes as 1 for 14 and 7 becomes as 6. So here we have written 6 and here it becomes as 14. From 14 subtract 8. Now answer will be 6. Moving to 10,000 column, 6 minus 1, it will be 5. Next lakh column, number is 3 alone, so copy as it is. Next 10 lakh column, number 2 is alone, copy as it is. So this way we will be having our final answer. 23,56,744 people now live in state A. So this way we can get the final answer of state A. If you are having any doubt, please comment your doubts in